Welcome back to Wildlife Wonderscape. Today, we're diving into the lush rainforests of Southeast Asia and Africa to meet one of the most iconic and fascinating birds of the region, the hornbills. These magnificent creatures are more than just their striking appearance. They play a vital role in their ecosystems, so let's soar into the world of hornbills. Known for their prominent, curved bills and impressive size, hornbills are among the most easily recognizable birds in the world. There are 60 species of hornbills, ranging from the large, imposing great hornbill to the much smaller black dwarf hornbill. You can find them in tropical and subtropical rainforests, savannas, and even open grasslands. One of the most distinctive features of hornbills is their oversized bill. This bill may look heavy, but it's surprisingly light thanks to its hollow structure. Many species also sport a casque, a helmet-like structure on top of their beak. But why such an elaborate beak? Stick around to find out. Hornbills are primarily found in the tropical regions of Africa and Southeast Asia. In Africa, they dominate the forests and savannas. While in Asia, their presence is most felt in the dense jungles of India, Thailand, Indonesia, and the Philippines. In these diverse habitats, hornbills are perfectly adapted to their environment. Their powerful wings allow them to soar between towering rainforest canopies. And their unique bills help them forage for fruits, small animals, and even insects. While hornbills are known for their striking appearance, they are also incredibly important to the health of their ecosystems. Hornbills are often referred to as farmers of the forest due to their role as seed dispersers. They eat a variety of fruits, carrying them across large distances and dropping seeds as they fly. This helps maintain the biodiversity of their habitats. Without hornbills, many plant species would struggle to survive. In fact, in some areas, hornbills are the primary dispersers of large seeds, making them essential for the regeneration of forests. One of the most fascinating aspects of hornbill life is their breeding behavior. Female hornbills nest in tree cavities, and in some species, the female seals herself inside the nest with mud, leaving only a small slit through which the male delivers food. During this time, the female undergoes molting and incubates the eggs, while the male works tirelessly to bring her and the chicks food. Once the chicks are old enough, the female breaks out of the nest, and both parents care for the young. This unique behavior helps protect the vulnerable female and chicks from predators during the nesting period. Hornbills also communicate using loud, resonant calls that can travel long distances through the dense forests. Despite their important role in the ecosystem, many hornbill species are facing serious threats. Deforestation, habitat loss, and hunting are causing their populations to decline, especially in Southeast Asia. Some species, like the helmeted hornbill, are critically endangered due to poaching for their unique casque, which is highly valued in the illegal wildlife trade. But there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect hornbills and their habitats. Organizations are working to restore forest areas, enforce wildlife protection laws, and raise awareness about the importance of these incredible birds. Want to help protect hornbills and their habitats? You can support conservation groups, reduce your carbon footprint, and spread the word about the importance of preserving rainforests. Even small actions can have a big impact on protecting wildlife. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of hornbills. These majestic birds are a symbol of the wild beauty of our planet, and together we can ensure they continue to thrive for generations to come. Be sure to subscribe to Wildlife Wonderscape for more adventures into the natural world. See you next time!